everybody, Stu from UAV Futures here, and today, well, the lockdown is finally over. COVID-19 can go stick it because we're finally allowed outside. We can go flying again. We've been doing a lot of live streams, but now we are back with a regular scheduled upload for you guys. So first things first, let's get through some of the FPV news, show you what's coming up on the channel so you guys can get excited, get pumped about all the stuff that's been happening in FPV that I just haven't been able to share or test or fly around because we've been stuck indoors. Now the first thing I want to mention is it is the Fat Shark Bite Frost system, that I guess their Take 2 version of it. I'm going to put some pictures on the screen. It's called Shark Bite, and I got to say, it looks kind of interesting. Now, I don't think I'm going to personally be getting one on the channel. Fat Shark probably doesn't like the things I say in my reviews, or they don't like how I do it, whatever it is. But I'm going to say I wish them all the best because we want more competition in the digital FPV sector, and if it's owned, DJI, it's absolutely crushing it at the moment. But if we can get this new system in and it's working well, we get people behind it, well, we might have a bit of a fight on our hands, which is great for us consumer pilots out there. So I want to know first and foremost, what do you guys think of that new Fat Shark Shark Bite system? Because I've got to say, it looks definitely, it's an interesting take. It's an extra mod you slap on the outside of goggles, so definitely some exciting times right there. Moving on, some things that we can test on the channel, because I'm happy to send here, I've written them all down. We have the Radio Master, finally, so I've been playing around with this a little bit. I'm going to put together a video very, very shortly. I've just been waiting to get some other pilots' opinions too, so they can be on the sticks and let you know how it goes. But I've got to say, first impressions, it's very, very exciting stuff when it comes to this radio as well. It's super cheap, and I guess it's really running in against the Jumper T16, and they're kind of almost an identical radio, just doing a few little things differently here and there. But it is a great time too to be looking for a new radio. We have some information. I'll put some other pictures on the screen, and it should be here soon. There's been a few shipping delays thanks to COVID-19, and this is one I am excited about. It is the new Nebula Cam from DJI and Caddx, so they're working together to bring you, I guess, an even smaller camera when it comes to your digital stuff. So if you're in the digital sector, it's going to be a very interesting next couple of months, I guess the next 2 months between Fat Shark and also some new actual hardware coming out from DJI with the Nebula Cam. It's like 4.4 grams, I think, and a 14, maybe it's 3.8 grams. The picture's on the screen, and it's like an absolute little micro cam, 14 by 14 millimeters, which means we are getting one step closer to having indoor HD action where you can fly around. I guess the Whoop size is the dream. Imagine flying around with digital inside. Super stoked about that. Coming up, one part that I keep putting on the screen is, I should also say, we've been given a heap of giveaways, so there's going to be a link in the description above or below somewhere. Go definitely check that form out. All you got to do is put your name and email in, because on the live streams we've been doing, we've been sort of jackpotting some prizes. We've had some cool stuff go out to some people, so shout out to FPV Nick. I think someone else won one of the prizes on the last one, but anyway, if you're interested, every single live stream we're giving stuff away. There should be one tomorrow morning or in like 12 hours time or something from this video, or 13 hours. Go check that. That'll be in the reminder somewhere. Go watch that. I will see you guys tomorrow on the live stream as well. And then we have this, talking about some actual special racing drones. I can't wait. This is from Snap Aerial Solutions, and this has been so long coming. I wanted to get out and fly this so much, but of course, like I said, COVID-19, it's locked definitely me down for a long time in our state. I don't know what it's like where you guys are. Let me know, but look at this beauty right here. And I honestly believe that the more time I've spent, I guess, playing with these canopies and everything, they are kind of if you are hardcore into racing and you want the most aerodynamic, performance-based situation solution that we have, these are, I don't know why you wouldn't use, I don't know why you would use anything else. They're getting pretty some high tech, some of them have little fans in them, all this sort of stuff, and they look incredible. Let me, I can probably even plug one in here. Yeah, we've now got a little LiPo here for my lights, but you can see these bad boys are definitely very, very cool. So stay tuned, because that video from Snap Aerial Solutions is coming out, and this I would say is probably one of the most advanced racing drones on the planet performance-wise. If you took this to a serious top-tier racer, this is about as good as it can get, so stay tuned for that. And on top of that as well, another premium high-end racer, so if you're really into the racing or the premium builds, we also have the Catalyst Machine Works Mofo, which we're going to be reviewing as well. So that one is right up there, and the Catalyst Machine Works makes some of the best racing stuff in the biz. Now moving on, I think that's all I've got written down here. We've done the live streams, the Nebula, the jumpers. Oh yeah, we've also got the Jumper T18, which is coming out, so the new jumper radio, and it's funny that's coming out around the same time that the Radio Master is just releasing. but I think in the shipping there has been a small delay, so somewhere in the post it should turn up in the next couple of days, but stay tuned because we've also got the new Jumper T18 radio coming out as a bit of a review, and I just want to say a huge shout out to everybody who's been supporting me through the channel. Huge shout out to my patrons because we are back. I can finally get out there, get flying, and make that content. So if you've been wondering, Stuart, what have you been doing? All you've been doing is live streams. Yep, it's because we've been stuck inside, and thank you to all those people tuning into the live streams. So we're still going to be doing them, but we're going out to the field as well, flying a little bit more now as well. So we're back to some regular videos finally, and the content that you guys enjoy, as well as those bonus live streams. So anyway, look, that was an update. It's great to be back. I'm super pumped. I finally was able to get out and get a haircut as well because it was going absolutely ridiculous. On that, subscribe for more FPV related content and let me know, out of all these things, what would you be most excited in? What do you want me to work on first? Whether it be the Radio Master, the Jumper T18, the Snap Aerial Solutions canopies, the Mofo, do you want to have a look at the DJI Nebula, or perhaps it is the Shark Bite system, although I think the chances of me getting an actual review unit of the Shark Bite are slim to none anyway. So anyway, on that, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying. Finally, we can get outside and do some happy flying.